Hello everyone and welcome to Philly Crypto Trading Plus. Are you confused by all this price volatility? Are you wondering what prices will be next? Well, look no further, you're definitely in the right place. I'm here to solve these problems for you by providing clear, concise, and competent technical analysis. In today's tutorial, we will be analyzing Ripple, XRP, right? So, specifically, we're going to talk about next targets. You want to stick around. I might throw it in the middle, guys, so make sure you watch the whole video, okay? Because I know what people do. They come in a couple minutes, but you're missing valuable information, guys. I'm telling you. We're going to cover the MACD, the RSI, ascending parallel channel, the ascending wedge that's still in play. We're going to talk about smaller wedge in a 4-hour time frame, Fibonacci extensions, simple moving averages, how we're consolidating right now, and what we think is going on with the price movement right now. We'll touch upon the trade room as well, and we'll even talk about trading rules just for a minute, okay? So that mind, guys, please be sure to stick around to the end. Like I said, I'm going to give you that next target, tell you where we're going to be going next, but I might throw it in the middle, guys, so just watch. Now, before we get into the video, please be sure to smash that like button because it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the content, and it makes a huge difference to me. Also, I'm trying to improve my videos and give you the best content I can, so please let me know what you like about my content, and I will certainly be sure to do more of it. Now, let's get into today's lesson. First of all, let's talk about the MACD and the RSI. Now, you see the MACD here. We're relatively we're still positive, which is what we want to see. You see this moving up here. We're just flat. We're kind of sitting right there, which is kind of in the middle of, doing something, so to speak. But usually that happens before something gets going in movement. You know what I mean? So this is like a lull in action. Same thing with our RSI here. We're sitting at 58.7 right now. Notice we're above the 50, which we flatten out here, and we're flattening out nicely. Again, a lull leading to some movement coming very, very soon. Okay. Now, this we talked about this before, this ascending wedge before. This is still in play, by the way, guys, just so you understand, okay? So we didn't quite make it up there just yet, but you can see we're building, and that's my point. And then you also notice this ascending parallel triangle. Notice what's happening here, where we've touched the top of that. We come down, we touch the bottom of it, and we come touch the middle of it, and we didn't get, we spiked there, and now we're kind of touching near the bottom here. So this next couple days are going to be very important. Next 2-3 days, we'll want to see a flattening here and go from there, right? So that just gives you an idea there. Now, on a shorter time frame, you can notice here, guys, this isn't necessarily a descending wedge, but it's it's still a wedge nonetheless, right? So this is playing out. You can see it's building ahead very, very quickly. What else I want you to notice is how the price movement, price action is tightening up. That means that we're getting ready to do something, guys. And I say this to you because I talked before about the importance of Bitcoin in perspective, right? So we've gone ahead and we've hit the mid 59s today. We broke out a very important 57 to 58,000 area. So we would think that our altcoins are going to follow suit. Okay, we're back down to 58,650 right now. But the point that I'm making is this is all boding for the next movement to be upward. Is what I'm getting at. Okay, so tightening price action, very tight. This is very imminent that something's going to break here, okay? So with that in mind, the chances are that it will be on the upside. So you see here, guys, again, we're flattening here. We're not quite done there, but we're just about done. And same thing with the relative strength on the 4-hour time frame, 50.25. So again, flattening here above 50, which is very, very good to see, right? Now, I want to tell you about the Fibonacci extensions. Actually, we'll get to that last. Notice this is another look at the MACD, guys. See how we kind of flattened from there? We bounced up, right? Now we're just kind of sitting there flat. Again, a lull in the action, right? 20-day moving average. Look at this, guys. Simple moving average. That's at 140 right now. But notice how we came down, we bounced off of there, and we popped up again. We have a higher high, which is what we want to see. We see this moving down right now very shallowly, very quietly. We're still above our it's nice flattening, and we're probably going to start moving up. So we might need another touch. Either this is going to come down to it, this is going to move up. So that would tell you we might need a little bit of consolidation time for that to occur. You see down here the 50s at $1.12. We're getting a little ahead of ourselves on the short time frame. You'll want that to come as well. Now, I want to go back real quickly and just point out the volume for you guys. Here's that flattening going on. Notice how the volume is just quiet, 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 quiet. Look at it. It's almost nothing. Same thing, guys. It's like the lull before the storm kind of thing that we're talking about, right? Okay. So on the 4-hour time frame, guys, I can't believe I just did that. All right, well, anyway, notice how the 20 has bounced off the 50. That's nice. And again, we're looking to break this line here. I could have drawn the triangle, but you see what I'm saying? We're looking to break this. We're right there. It's very imminent, and we're getting ready to bust, right? This is a bullish formation, by the way, just so you know, and then it busts, it goes, right? So in the shorter time frame, guys, 173, we got the 161, which is a 0.236 fib extension. And this is on the 4-hour time frame, guys, $1.68, $1.73, $1.78, and 86, right? And then the one would actually be $1.95, which is pretty darn close, if you notice, to this top, right? See, what a coincidence. Not really. So now I just accidentally clicked that out. So let's just change the time frame on this, guys, for you. Okay, and I'm going to have to size this back up because I got rid of it, guys. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, let's do this. Just want to show you this real quickly, okay? Now, so this is our extensions. This is what we're looking to do next. What is going on? Okay. All right. $1.24, where we're holding very nicely, is a 0.236, excuse me, the fib extension. We flattened nicely on the 20, as you can see. And we ran all the way up. Didn't quite get to the 0.618 fib, $1.82. So, we're still looking for that. You can see this line that we've drawn again that we're looking to bust through, which I think is going to happen very soon. And again, our upper target, 0.786 fib, 208. So you put anywhere in this range, guys, this is what we're looking for. We talked about that triangle being in play, the target here. And again, I just simply took this, the top and the bottom, added it on from the breakout, right? So here you go. So you put that together, you put this together, the top of that, and then you put this together, you put it all together, and it all adds up to this range up here. So if we're going to get some kind of move, I want you to notice again how the tightening of the, right here, guys, tightening up nicely. And I really like that. So something is getting ready to happen, guys, and it's going to be awesome. Okay, so pay attention, guys. This is where I think we're going to go next. Now, I want to talk for a second about the trade room as well. Guys, over 70 years experience, myself and Dan in our trade room, only $20 a month. I always leave the video, the link to the Patreon in the descriptions, the video descriptions. They're always there, and I'll post them down for you as well. Guys, some of the newer people that have come in the room, I've heard a lot from you guys making money. I'm very happy for you, but that's the goal. That's the message here. So please, if you would, some of the newer people that come on and making some good, quick money, I think that's great. But do me a favor, and let's help these newer folks coming to the channel that don't know me from Adam, and they don't know who you are. Tell them who you are and what you're doing in that channel, what you're getting from it, the money that you're making, whatever you want to say. It doesn't matter. But let them know, because remember, guys, you were there before. Okay, so now we're moving to the next generation of new folks coming on. Let's help them out. Let's cultivate this property for them so that they can get the help that they need. That's why they're coming in the first place. I always appreciate that, guys, and I can't thank you enough. Okay, now I do want to talk about trading rules for just a second, guys. I know it's getting long, but hey, guys, 3 to 7%. In the rules, okay? 3 to 7%. You're always pushing, as this move is happening, you're pushing your stops up 3 to 7% behind in a trade, and you're going to crowd yourself right out of it. When it's done moving up, boom, you're out. And that's the point, right? So when you're up here, right, and you're getting out 3 to 7%, right, which is basically, it hit $1.97. Okay, so here the base of this was at $1.84. You should already been out by then, right? And so when this happens, you're sitting like a fat cat waiting to grab it, and you're going to grab it with a lot more money because of the fact that you got out at the right time. These are the ways that you make consistent money trading. Okay, guys? Now, I want to turn this part of the video over to you guys, and I want you to tell me what's the most important or valuable thing that you've learned from today's lesson. And please let me know in the comments below. You guys know I love the feedback. I love to hear from you guys. I can't thank you enough. You're like my second family, right? So please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, the more subscribers that we get, the better and more content we can continue making. So please like, share, and subscribe. Now, if you want to learn more, please be sure and watch this next video.